4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in as much as possible. 10. Okay, good. Now join your legs, claps your hand, and stretch up. Just pull yourself up. Here for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly turn to your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now your left side. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now just bend forward and try to touch our hands to the ground. Here for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Up. Yeah. Feel that stretch. Okay, now let's do some warm up for our neck. You're gonna hold our hands to the waist and do neck turn sidewise. Let's start. 1, 2, do it slowly and gently. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Now let's go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In rotation left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now let's do eye rotation. Here we'll be performing move of the eyeball. This is done to release the strain. Basically, if you're watching a TV or mobile for a long time, it is done to release the strain. So we are going to look sidewise, left and right. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, extreme right, extreme left, 9, 10. Now up and down. It as up and as down as possible. Only eyeball movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're doing square movement. Extreme left bottom corner and lift it up. Left top, right top, right bottom, left bottom, right top, right top. Keep performing this movement. Now rotate your eye left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Okay. Now let's just slightly feet are fine. Hands on waist. Let's do the hip rotation left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now we lift our left toe up. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Lift your left, right up now. Toe rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now catch your shoulders. Let's do the shoulder position. Try to touch your elbows. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. We have warmed each and every part of our body. So we are good to go. Let's do some cardio. So here what we'll be doing is we lift our hands up, jumping, landing on our toes. Okay, we'll be landing on our toes. So we'll be doing this 100 counts. So this the benefit of lifting hands up is opens up our lungs to get in more and oxygen, which will first improve our stamina, and landing on our toes because it's going to work on our calf muscles. Okay, so after 100 counts of this jumping, we're going to move on to jumping jacks. This people learning for the first time can follow this variation. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're comfortable with it, you can do the normal one. Okay, and after jumping jacks, we will be moving on to the high knees. Okay, click on that. So there we go. Let's start. Get those hands up. Let's start jumping. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Feel your abs building up. Get pain, calf muscles. Come on. Last 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. Keep jogging. Don't stop. Okay, now we move the jogging jack, 50 counts. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 17, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep jogging, don't stop. Good. Have to move on. Last one. I need 3 counts. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Keep jogging. Just keep jogging. Jogging. Just put down. Good. Whenever you perform audio, make sure you don't immediately stop. Slowly bring the gaze down. Then stop. Good. More try. Let's do 5 counts of breathing to gain breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Back muscles. Okay, now let's go on to the mat. Okay, so we'll do the normal push-ups, 10 counts in 3 sets. So push-ups usually people make the mistake of bending their shoulders outside, keeping the elbows outside. See, this is wrong. It's going to harm the shoulders. So place your palm near your chest, slightly tilted. Make your elbow isn't exposed too much to the outside. Okay, you're gonna go down. Make sure your elbows are inside. It shouldn't come out like this. It has to be inside. Okay, so when we do this, this helps us um, helps the chest as well as for our triceps. Okay, so regular push-ups. Just lie down first. Your hands near to your chest, front, back, slightly tilted. 10 counts. Come on, let's start. Okay, push up. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Feel the pain in your chest. Just do this, expanding. Good. Okay. Let's move on to the second side. We'll be 15 counts here. Okay, everybody just go. Just arrange your hand firmly near your chest. Okay, now stop. Okay, let's start. 15 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, come on, and down. Good. Feel the pain. Feeling the pain. Just feel that means you're doing it right. Good. Just this expand. So basically in the chest region we have upper pec and lower pec. So doing this is going to help the lower pec here. Gonna lift and tighten it here. Okay. Come on, last set. 10 counts. Full of energy. In the push-ups, make sure you put pressure to your in your. It will help you push up easy as well as will help keep it in the chest. Okay. Go down. Place your palms near your chest. Let's start with 10 counts. Come on, everyone. Push yourself. Come up. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good one. Very good. feel pain here, just keep doing this slowly. Good. Okay. Now we'll do sounds of breathing to gain our breath energy back. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Inhale as much as possible. 4, 5. Good. Now we'll be doing the 3-second push-ups. So here it is simple, just like a push-up, but one thing is when you go down, you will come down for 3 seconds. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, and you'll push yourself up. Okay. After that, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. To immediately push yourself up. So those who are doing it for the first time, just you could rest your knees down and there is 3 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, push up. Okay. Comfortable with this, you can lift your knee up and do it. Okay. Come on. Let's stop our legs. Good. Legs back. Okay. Let's start with the 3 push-up. Only 10 counts. Start. 1, 2, 3. Push up. 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 Last 5. 1, 2, 3. Push up. 1, 2, 3. Push up. 1, 2, 3. Push up. 3. 1, 2, 3. Push up. 1, 2, 3. Push up. Come on, last one. 1, 2, 3. Push up. Good one. Just relax in the child pose. Good job. So why chest workout is important? Because in teenage and adulthood, sometimes there are fluctuation of two hormones, testosterone and estrogen. So when there is a fluctuation in estrogen hormone and it tends to become more fat get deposited in our chest, maybe due to bad lifestyle, unhealthy eating habits, and so on. This can be taken care if we have good, at least 45 minutes of work and the healthy diet pattern. This will help us tone up. Okay, let's move to the second step. One is the last step for this. Okay, do it. Only 10 minutes. Bring your leg back. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Push up. 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 1, 2, 3 push up. 5. 1, 2, 3 push up. 1, 2, 3 push up. 1, 2, 3 push up. 1, 2, 3 push. Last 2. 1, 2, 3 push up. Last 1. 1, 2, 3 push up. Good one. Just keep do this. Let's rotate here. Just rotate shoulders. Do this. Expand. Let pain. Your chest getting tight. Good. 5 seconds breathing. Come on. When you're doing such intense strength exercises, it's important that you at least give accounts of breathing, gain your breath, get that energy back. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So next exercise for this will be doing archer push-ups. So here you'll be keeping your knees down, resting the floor. Okay. You go. Just keep your hand together here. Expand it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here, what you'll be doing is we'll be doing sidewise like this. Okay. Like a push-up, but only thing doing it sidewise. When you go on, if supposing you go to your right side, make sure left arm turns to the left side, go down, and when you go to your left side and go down the left side, make sure your right arm turns to the right side like this. Okay, will be only 10 counts, 2 sets. Spread as possible. It is those who find challenging, rest your knees here and do it. Find the comfortable, go with the original variant. Okay, let's start. Come on. So this one, it will basically help get our chest flattened. Touch our chest here and it get flat. Come on. The hands. Okay. Legs back. Let's do it on 10 counts. Starting left side. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Very good. Relax. Feel that pain in your chest region. Yes. Okay. Come on, last set. Only counts. Do it. Okay. Spread your hands. Follow. Your lift knees up. And let's start from the left side. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Good job, everyone. Feel your chest widening up. Just relax. Just do your own breathing. Two, three, four, five. Good. Now go on to the last chest size. I hope all have got socks side you. It's time to sit. So you just gonna wear it to your hands, legs. Okay. Okay, good. So here, what we'll be doing is we'll be resting our knees down completely and we'll be spreading our hands sideways and push yourself up. It may be difficult little, so be careful. If you are unable to go down completely, it's okay to go down much. All right, only 5 counts. We'll be doing only 5 counts. Okay. So if you look from side angle, it's gonna be sitting like this, and you're gonna spread yourself down and come up. Okay. Okay. Let's start with 5 counts. Don't force. If you feel the pain in your shoulder, you can stop it. Try to as much as the hands. Okay. Let's start. Only count. Okay. Okay. Let's start. Come on. One. Come up. Push. Come on. Two. Push. Three. Come on. Push. Four. Come. Push. Yes. Five. Come on. Push. Good. Feel stretch in your chest. This is for the extreme lower neck. That is the area where the fat loss becomes difficult in the chest area. So this is going to trigger that. We're gonna tighten that side. Okay, good. Come on. Last. Only 5 counts. Last set. Let's do it. Push your legs. Good. Okay, now let's start. Come on. One. Push. Two. Push. Three. Push. Four. Push. Come on, last one. Push. Good. So relax. You can remove your sock now. You're done with this. Relax in child pose. Good. Now we'll do light planks. Now you'll be wondering not just one day why we are doing exercise for side. So basically, spot workout doesn't work out. Okay, doing a spot workout, just focusing on one area, one day not going to help because fat loss doesn't happen the way it is the overall body fat which reduces. So we have to focus on every part of our body. Supposing today we are in chest, you could do little bit of side, and today you do abs workout, you do little bit of legs. So keep everything little bit every day. So at least 2-3 muscles get covered every day. We'll be doing the side planks here for 30 counts. When I give the count, you're gonna bring your hand inside to the area where you want to burn fat and push your hip inside. Gonna squeeze your um, side here. Feel that fat burning. Okay, let's start. Only 3 counts. One time. Hands up. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Squeeze as much as possible. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Feel that pain in your sides. So this is the area where fat gets deposited most of the time since we tend to sit for a long time. So at least after every 45 minutes, you could just stand up and do the side strips what I did earlier at the beginning of the session. It will be very helpful. It will also not only help your sides get flat, but also it's going to energize you. It's gonna keep you fresh. Okay, so you can do that after every 5 minutes. Now let's turn to the other side, the right side. Okay, only 30 counts. Come on, lift up. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze as much as possible. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, squeeze, 2, 1. Good. Just relax. Good everyone. So we are done with our workout. So now time to cool down our body. Cool down is very important since when we vigorous workout, body is under tremendous stress And in order to relieve stress, cool is very important. Okay. So now what we'll be doing is we'll be sitting in Vajrasana. Who are those who find difficult, you sit Sukhasana, no issues. Okay, we'll be sitting in Vajrasana. First, what we'll be doing is we will be doing the Bhastrika for 20 counts. Then we're doing the Anulom Vilom for 10 counts. And then Kapalabhati for 20 counts. And then we'll be lying down Shavasana. Okay. So, everyone, force the gap between your legs and Chin Mudra. Now close your eyes. Focus on your breath. Feel heart rate going down. From about 100 and become you have get it to 65 pm at least. Open your breath. Just relax. Okay. Now we bring the Bhastrika. Here, gonna fold your thumb inside and wrap it up with all 4 fingers. Okay. You will be keeping in this position. When we start, please you push up and then breathe the to your nostrils forcefully. Start 20 counts. Okay, follow your own counts. Start. Good. Feel the vibration. Just remember, we perform and breathe out forcefully. Visualize your forcefully, just throwing out all negative thoughts and emotions. Let's move on to the Anulom Vinulom. Here, you'll be your first, the 4 fingers as well as the middle finger, you'll be placing it in between the eyebrows. Covering your right nostril with the thumb and breathing, holding, and then covering the left nostril and breathing out through the right nostril. Okay, we'll be doing this 10 counts. When you inhale, feel all the positive thoughts and emotions going, and when you hold, all the unwanted negative thought emotions are being separated from positive ones. When you exhale, all the negative thoughts and emotions are being flushed out. Okay, let's start. Follow your count 10 counts. All right, Jan, we move on to the Sukhasana now. We'll be doing the Kapalabhati. So here, be forcefully breathing out through your mouth. Inhale. It has to come from here, from the abdominal region. 20 count. Follow your arms. Inhale. Feel the vibration. Now let's slowly move on to Shavasana. Just lie down. Face your palms up. Just relax your whole body. Focus on each and every muscle. Visualize that muscles are building up. Focus on your breath. Just to slow breathing. Just lie down and visualize how you want to look in the next 3 months and what you want. Just have a little smile on your face while visualizing. Slowly turn on your left side, left hand with the help of right hand. Come up. Now rub your arms. Generate the heat. Now place it on your face, arms and your legs. Once again. Now just place it in your head like this. Just keep moving down. Once more. Keep your palm on your face. Slowly open your eyes. Yes. Thank you all. That's for today. I hope you all enjoyed the work. Hope you enjoyed the work.